right, here it is. The golf pack just finally made it here. Need to cover that, but whatever. And yeah, it is a little late, but hey, at least it actually got here. Hopefully it's not a doubles, because I got 2 boxes. So let's get this open. All right, here we go. Here's the first shirt, or oh, I feel like I feel an, oh, this is a mask. All right, here we go. What color? We got just orange and brown. Yeah, okay. Orange and brown mask, not too bad. Okay, actually, let's flip this to landscape real quick before I forget. All right, what is this? That, okay, don't need that. Oh, hey, some socks. Nice. I actually don't mind that as an accessory because I've never gotten a pair of golf socks. I don't know. All right, here we go. First shirt. All right, this what is it? The Shock Tee. Not too bad. Lime green. I like how the text looks. Pretty cool. All right. Next shirt. Please don't be a double. Oh hey. I think this is the same shirt that one of my friends got. The Isolation Tee. Safety and isolation. Okay, cool. Sick. I actually quite like that shirt. All right, here we go. And hey, it's not a double, but it's that shirt. The Cowboy Tee. Don't know how I feel about that, but it is a shirt, and I will probably wear it at some point. All right, last shirt. Here we go. What do we got? And it's the rope tee. All right, not my favorite, but not the worst I could have gotten. Definitely could have been worse. All right, well, here they all are, and the socks and mask. I think that's it, unless we got something hidden in the very depths of the bag. I don't think so. All right. Yep.